Welcome back to the channel, and guess what? I did get myself a microphone. I've seen your comments, the audio was not good, so here I am with a microphone. I hope this makes it better. Let me know down in the comments below. But with that said, we have a lot of updates to talk about in this video, and as you've seen from the title, some juicy things from both MetaMask and Linea. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop, and the first thing I want to talk about is that I will be entering a long position over here on Ethereum. It has gone up, it has gone down. Now it's kind of like back up a little bit as we see over here. This is on the daily. Let's go on the hourly. We're able to go and see how nicely it has moved, and we buy when it is going a little bit down. So I will be buying now. I will put a position over of about, I would say $3,000, and I will buy along at a 10x. Of course, I am no financial advisor. Don't take my trades for what you should do. I am just doing it right now. So let me know your thoughts. If you want to come and trade with me, come over to ZoomX. It is a non-KYC exchange. There's a $30 gift card bonus for all of you that sign up. So this is over here on my account. If you wish to join, thank you very much. No financial advisor whatsoever. Thank you for the support. The link will be down below. Next up, we go and talk about the home airdrop. You have the possibility to go and claim this airdrop. The link will be down below. All you gotta do, follow it, and you will be redirected over here. Connect your wallet, and if you are eligible for it, then you will see it in this way. I am not eligible, but you will see how much token you have the possibility to go and be eligible for, and you are already able to go and sell it as well. So definitely something really nice to go and do. Next up, we have the Sonic airdrop update. Now they have done a season 1, and they said that there will be a season 2 coming as soon as the season 1 ends. Well, when it comes to the season 1, we got 25% of your airdrop is claimable immediately as liquid S. So you do have 25% of your airdrop that you can do whatever you want with it if you want to sell it. The remaining 75% is linearly vested over 270 days, which is as tradable NFTs. It's pointless. Like, this token is gonna go to zero. It got 270 days, and it's gonna go even further down later on. I will be shorting this airdrop. Short with me over on ZoomX. Sign up, short it as soon as it launches, because this is definitely not going to make the community happy whatsoever. We do have, for example, if you got 100 token, you get 25 token immediately, and 75 tokens you get them later down the line. So this is one thing that a lot of projects use to manipulate the price and sell it and let the team sell it and do all of these things, which is not what I would like to go and do. So definitely will sell it. Even if I receive immediately, I will immediately sell it. And then we got the season 2, as we see over here, introduced by them. There is no more passive points. You only get loyalty based points boost, and you got revenue counts towards the gems. So let me know if you are a users of the Sonic Labs over here, and if you are going to be eligible for the airdrop. As of right now, there is no checker, there is no claim, so please do not go and do any sort of links that you will find online. Do not click on any of them. Next up, talking about the MetaMask update, it is this one. And here it says, nobody is ready for what's coming. Nobody. Now, this leaves a lot of speculation. I think it's two things. Either there is a token at some point, they will release a token just to reward the community, but I still see it that MetaMask releasing a token could be pretty much pointless in a way that they don't actually need to do it. They already are an established wallet. They could go and release a reward program, for example, trade X amount, receive X amount of XP, and then with the XP they get a leaderboard and maybe some perks. Or the other thing could be that they have integration with new chains, they are going all out, you're able possibly, let's say, to do an EVM wallet, then Solana, then Eclipse, and all of the other, as well as configuring with, for example, Kepler over on the Cosmos ecosystem. It could be something, there's a lot of speculation about it. Could it be an airdrop? It would be great if there is an airdrop. The thing is that with a MetaMask airdrop, you have to go and understand how do you go and position yourself for the airdrop. Is it based on, let's say, everybody that has 200 or less transactions on MetaMask, it gets kicked out because there's so many people, and you need to filter out the people that don't really use MetaMask, in terms that they use it once a week for the past 3 years, but also that would be not correct for the users. So what do you do? How do you go about it? it is still, let's say, in the speculation. And here is the senior BD manager, concepts production safety at Metamask. Let's give them a follow because it does look interesting. They have released the card already before, and I don't know, it could be something to do with another card, a way of payment, or it could be simply for bridging. It could be something that they are making, something that they already own. They can making it better. This could be the other option. Next up, we have the Linea airdrop, and I want to go and make you look at this video. So after this video, it's gonna end in a couple of seconds, couple of minutes. I want to reproduce this video. And what does this say? Well, this video says that the Linea, it is going to have a TG in the near future, and I do hope that it is going to be before the end of June. We are currently on June 12th, and here he says that he confirmed the TG will be soon. There are also going to be something with the tokenomics that will directly support Ethereum, which is nice. And, you know, it could be that Linea will make you rich. Let me know or not. Let me know your LXP and your LXPL, you know, allocation down in the comments below. You already have them on the Linea network over on your Metamask wallet. Simply go there. You will be able to go and find your LXP allocation. I got about 2,000 of those. Is it gonna be worth $1? I highly doubt it. I think Linea will launch between 10 and 20 cents realistically. I don't think with all the weight and the hype, yes, they have a lot of backing behind, but I don't think they will get a, you know, $1 valuation. But let's go and see. Anyway, I'll play you the video now. Hope you did enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about the sound, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao, guys.
Much better. We in particular are going to be doing a TGE in the not too distant future. We're going to be rewarding our LXP, or very patient LXP token holders. Points
Is that
holders.
breaking, by the way? Do people know this? Is this news?
Well, I'm not going to put a date to it, but I think we've hinted at it on Twitter.
Fair enough, fair enough.
And we're going to, reward those people because they put a lot of work into helping us build out and burn in.